Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking in. Thank you for your comments and likes. Keep on sharing my videos. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Subscription is for free, guys. So before I come back, I need to cross a river. Just behind me here, there's a river. I'll be back after this. Welcome back, guys. I've just crossed a river behind me, so I want to take you places today. Those guys who've been with me through the journey, this is one of the journeys. I'm still continuing with my journey, so I want to take you to some places up here. If you can remember the video I did about Rivasio, guys, I showed this place before, and today I'm here on a serious business. I want to buy some, is it ballast or what? Maram. Yeah, we are here on a very serious business. Things are happening here behind me, guys, as you can see. Yeah, I will show you around as we proceed. Oops. Back home, the materials have started coming in. The ballast, the sand, and the stones are here coming in. Hapa tuko mlango takumu. So this is day one of collecting materials, and the first lorry of stones has arrived, but we need to arrange all the stones in the houses before we get the second lorry, because the first lorry is not enough for all the houses. We need at least 2 lorries to complete all the houses as it comes, as they arrange in the houses, as you can see here. So 1 lorry was enough for 2 rooms. We have another empty room here that has not been filled yet, and we are waiting for more stones to come in so that we can fill the 3rd room. First room filled. 2nd room is also filled. So now we are waiting for the stones to fill this 3rd room that has not been filled yet, and I guess the stones are here. They have already arrived. So you need to fill this 3rd room. Leo hii ni gani? Imetolewa kwa mchanga gani? Volcanic soil. Volcanic soil. Yeah. Oh. After receiving 2 lorries of stones, we are here also receiving another lorry of ballast. This is just the first day of collecting materials. Angalia, usisukume huku sana, jaribu kurudisha hii side ingine. Usiende chini sana. Meanwhile, the stones have been filled in the rooms, and the remaining ones have to be arranged just inside the compound. still on day 1 of collecting materials. We've gotten the stones, we've gotten the ballast. Now the sand is here. This is the evening of day 1 and we are finishing up with the day. We are continuing tomorrow. I'll show you what will be happening and the journey continues. Welcome back, and this is day 2 of collecting materials, guys, and we are going back to the site. This is the Muram site where I came yesterday to make an order, but the order has not been delivered, so I had to come back again and do a follow-up, a serious follow-up. So it's day 2 of collecting materials, guys, and I'm learning something. So suppliers, when you send for something, the suppliers will just go and relax. When you send for the materials, you don't send for the materials and sit home and wait for them. You have to start doing some follow-ups. That's something that I'm learning from here. People here are so reluctant. They're not serious about everything. They want you to run with their time, you know, and it's not fair. On my part, I feel it's not fair because it's tiresome. You send for materials, you are waiting for the materials to come in just one day, and people will be like doing their own stuff. So you have to leave everything and start doing follow-ups. This is day 2, of which we are supposed to start working, but the work has stopped because I'm still following up on some other materials that haven't arrived. It's very tiresome, but it's also a lesson that I've learned. Day 2, we are still shopping. We are still buying some more materials at the hardware. At last, after doing a follow-up on this Moram soil for 2 days, it has been delivered. So day 2 has been wasted just like that, but let's see what will happen on day 3. So for now, we have to prepare. All the materials have been collected and we are ready for work on day 3. Good morning. You in the machine, eh? Okay. Men are seriously at work here. As you can see, the Muram has to be poured on top of the stones inside the house. Yeah, this one has been done already. And after the moram has been poured on top of the stones, they have to apply insecticide. It's called Gladiator 40C for pesticide. In case maybe the termites might come and damage the house, it's very important to be applied on top of the moram before they move to the next step. After applying the insecticide, the next step is the laying of the damp coarse paper. It just have to be done that way. This is how they build houses here because the soil here is so damp and swampy. Day 3, and we are on the site. Guys, as usual, the constructors will give you a quotation. When they start working, you'll find that the materials are not even enough. Okay? You'll find out that the materials are not enough. So you'll end up running up and down, bringing more materials. Now we are stuck. I need to rush to town to get some more materials. So I'm here to buy these ventilators. And some more damping coarse paper, more hinges for the welders as well. I think there's something like binding wire. So many things actually. Binding wire iko hapo mimi. Fire fungia ndani. Sina ndugu yangu. Sawa. Toa plastic quarter bili. Shika receipt yako mama. So back home, the work is progressing and I can see the mixture of ballast, sand and cement has been poured on top of the damping coarse paper. And also the piping has been done. That was room 1. This is room 2 and the work is still in progress. They're still pouring in. And also the piping has been done in room 2. In the 3rd room, they're still laying down the damp coarse paper. So this is the mixture of the sand and the ballast and the cement that is being poured on top of the damp coarse paper. This is how it looks like. These guys are seriously working. So this is how it's brought in and it's poured on top of the damp coarse paper. So there is something about this welding that I want to tell you about. I noticed that it's so cheap when you buy your own materials and bring welders in your own compound to make your own doors and your own windows. That way you can save a lot. It's better than when you go to the market to buy ready-made doors and windows. So that's why I'm doing this in my own compound. The day is over, all the construction workers are gone. Now I'm left with the welders. But because it's too cold and I need to continue working with the welders, I need to get a cup of Nescafe. Yeah, so I still have welders around. And here I am with a cup of Nescafe, still inspecting, still working with them. Good morning, it's day 4 and we are still continuing with our work. As you can see, the doors are already done. Now we are working on the windows, waiting for some other guys to come and start working with that cement. But right now we are working on the windows and all the doors and the windows must be fixed today. Those are the windows are being done. So today we are fixing everything, we are finishing everything. The journey continues. Sending for breakfast. Men and boys are at work, ready to work for the day. It's very chilly in the morning and the boss lady is on the site with a cup of Nescafe. Men are working behind here. People are really working so hard, right? It's so good to feel bossy sometimes, but not really bossy, because when I'm on site, I work with my people. I always inspect and work with them. So we needed this waterproof powder, which will be mixed with the sand when you are doing the flooring, because our place is so damp and swampy. So it's a must to mix the waterproof with this sand and cement. Good morning. Today is the last day and we need to fix all the houses, we need to fix all the doors, and I have more workers today. So today is a very hectic day, but the last day of the week, it is a Saturday and we need to finish everything so that next week we can start doing something else. So today I have a lot of workers on site. Food is ready, everything is ready. We need more materials like the sand and more cement. We are waiting for them. I've ordered for them. I'm waiting for them to come, but it's going to be a very hectic day, so let's go out and see what's happening. Huyo jamaa anasema anakam.
Huyo jamaa wa Dori.
So umesema tupige picha? Au umesema aje?
Wawili sasa bia ukiwemo.
Eh? Selfie. Ile ugali ya selfie.
Domesha kule imeisha wewe.
Hey. This is serious. Everything went as smoothly as expected. All the doors are fixed. All the rooms have been done. So we need to do a proper finishing on the outside wall. Oh my God, it's just a whole lot of work, but God will see us through. If we have done this, I'm sure we will be able to finish. So this is what you are going to be doing maybe in the next 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, I don't know. Making sure that the walls and the floors get enough water. And maybe after this, we will continue with this journey. We haven't finished yet. We need glasses on the windows. We need to fix the ceiling boards. We need to paint the rooms. So guys, the journey continues. But before that, we are going to be doing a lot of pouring water on the walls, on the floor. This is how it looks like. The first room, done. Second room, done. Yeah, pouring the water. Third room, done. Yeah. I think these rooms are ready for renting. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. So as I always say, my videos are to inspire, not for show off, but to inspire someone out there. If you think that you cannot, I mean, you can. If I can do this, you can do it even better. I mean, why not? So keep on watching my videos, guys. Keep liking, keep sharing. Leave your comments down below. Let me know the kind of videos that you want me to show. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Subscription is for free. I mean, you cannot be charged for subscribing to any channel on YouTube. Team Premier Gang, thank you so much for the support. Keep up with the spirit. Keep up with the hard work. We will get there. Until we meet again on another interesting video from AM Carol. Cheers.